Good morning, students. You all are welcome to the online classes of class 3 social studies. In the previous lesson, that means in the second lesson, I have given all the question answers and exercises and everything in the previous class, and I hope that you have completed this and you have written in your copy and you studied this. And if anybody is not completed, you just go to the school website, it is uploaded there and you can see there and write and complete your copies. So in this class we will go to the third lesson. Our third lesson's name is Continents and Oceans. This third lesson, it is a very small and simple lesson. In this lesson, you will study about only two things. They are continents and oceans. A part of the Earth's surface is made up of land, and rest of the Earth is covered with water. There is more water than land on the Earth, and at the same time, these land masses which is visible on the Earth, they are called continents. Continents means the large land masses are called continents. And there are 7 continents in the world. They are, first one is Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. And these are the continents which are visible on the Earth. And this Asia is the largest continent in the world. At the same time, this Australia is the smallest continent. And this Australia is a continent as well as it is a country. We are living in Salempur. And Salempur is in Devariya district. And Devariya district is in Uttar Pradesh state. Uttar Pradesh is in India, and India is in the continent of Asia. This biggest continent, Asia. India is in the continent of Asia. As I have told, the large land masses are called continents. In the same way, large water bodies are called oceans. And there are 5 oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. And among these, Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. And the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. These are the 2 main things it is mentioned in this lesson. We shall just rewind this class again. The continents and oceans. Very large land masses on the Earth is called continents. There are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. And among these, Asia is the biggest continent in the world, and Australia is the smallest continent in the world, and Australia is a continent as well as it is a country, and our country India is in the continent of Asia. And oceans, very large water bodies on the Earth are called oceans. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are, first one is Pacific Ocean, second one is Arctic Ocean, and third one is Indian Ocean, fourth one is Atlantic Ocean, and fifth one is Antarctic Ocean. Among these, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. And at the same time, this Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. These are the 2 things it is mentioned in this lesson. And this lesson is over, and I will give you the exercises and question answers of this lesson, and you just see this and write it in your copy, and as a homework you learn, after writing, you learn all the exercises and question answers of this lesson 3. Worksheet of lesson 3. First, fill in the blanks. Very large land masses on the earth are called continents. Second one, very large water bodies on the earth are called oceans. Third one, there are 5 oceans in the world. Fourth one, there are 7 continents in the world. Now we shall see part B. Tick the correct answer. First question, the largest continent is dash. 3 options given: Africa, Australia, and Asia. So Asia is the correct answer. Then second question, the largest ocean is the dash. Answer is Pacific Ocean. Third question, the smallest continent is dash. Australia is the correct answer. Then fourth question, the smallest ocean is the dash. Arctic Ocean is the correct answer. Worksheet Part C. Answer the following. Question number 1. What is a continent? Name the continents of the world. Answer is, a very large landmass is called a continent. Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, and Antarctica are the 7 continents of the world. Question number 2. What is an ocean? Name the 5 oceans of the world. Answer is, very large bodies of water on the earth are called oceans. The Pacific, the Arctic, the Indian, the Atlantic, and the Antarctic are the names of 5 oceans. Question number 3. Which ocean separates Africa and Australia? Answer is, Indian Ocean separates Africa and Australia. Question number 4. Which ocean lies between Asia and America? Answer, Pacific Ocean lies between Asia and America. Now we shall see a word search. In this word search, we shall mark the names of some continents and oceans. First, we shall see the continents. Continents are marked in red color. Antarctica, Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America. Now let us see the oceans which are marked in blue color. Arctic, Indian, Atlantic, Pacific.